So you're broke, you have no money, zero. And yet, every finance guru keeps screaming at you, invest. But how? What are you supposed to invest when you're barely making it through the month? Well, here's the truth. The way you handle money when you have nothing is what determines whether you'll stay broke or become wealthy. So today, we're going to show you exactly how to invest your money when you have nothing. Step by step, no fluff, no theory, just real strategies that actually work. And if you stay until the end, I'll even share the one investing strategy that rich people use but never talk about. Let's dive in. Step 1. The first investment you need to make, and it's not stocks. Before we talk about stocks, real estate, or crypto, let's get real. You can't invest money you don't have. So, before you even think about investing in assets, you need to invest in something even more valuable. Yourself, your skills, your knowledge, and your ability to make money are your first assets. And guess what? They have unlimited potential. High-income skills equal more money to invest. Sales, freelancing, coding, video editing, copywriting, social media management. These skills don't require a fancy degree, and you can start learning them for free online. Think of it like this. A $0 investment in learning a skill today could turn into $1,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 a month later. That is how you start. And if you're serious, comment below. What skill are you going to invest in today? Step 2. How to start investing with just $5, even if you're broke. Okay, so you're starting to make some money, but it's not a lot. So how do you invest without needing thousands of dollars? Simple. You start small, but you invest smart. Introducing the $5 a day strategy. If you invest just $5 a day into an index fund like the S&P 500 in 20 years, that could turn into over $100,000. That's the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the bigger your returns. And here's the key. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You need to start investing to get rich. So start now, even if it's just $5. Step 3. The fastest way to grow your money, even if you start with $0. Investing in stocks is great, but what if you need money fast? What if you want to invest in yourself and start building wealth at the same time? The answer? Cash flow investments. This means putting your money in things that make you more money instantly, starting a side hustle, selling digital products, buying and flipping items, investing in a small business. This is how the rich get richer. They don't just throw money into stocks and wait years. They put their money into things that give them money now. For example, you take $100 and use it to start a reselling business. You buy sneakers, books, or gadgets and flip them for profit. That profit gets reinvested. Boom! Your money is now working for you. Find something you can start today, even if it's small, because small moves turn into big wins. Step 4. The secret investing strategy rich people use that no one talks about. All right, you're building skills. You're investing small. You're creating cash flow. But how do you really scale your investments? How do you go from just surviving to actually building wealth? The secret strategy? Asset stacking. Here's how it works. Instead of putting all your money in one thing, you create a system that keeps growing. Step 1. Use skills and side hustles to build income. Step 2. Invest small amounts in stocks for long-term growth. Step 3. Use profits to invest in cash-flowing assets, businesses, real estate. Step 4. Repeat so that every dollar works for you. This is how you go from broke to building actual wealth. And the best part? Anyone can do it. You just have to start. All right, so now you know exactly how to invest when you have nothing. But here's the question. Which step are you starting with today? Drop a comment below, and we'll personally reply with our thoughts. And if you're serious about building wealth, don't stop here. Watch this video next. Hit like, subscribe, and let's make your money work for you. See you in the next one.